So, mass control pollinated essentially means that you know who the mother and who the father in that cross is. Pollinated, you know who the mother is. We have orchards that have been established. They're grafted individuals, so we know basically have genetically identical individuals throughout the orchard. So we know who the moms are based off of going out selecting. We do some genotyping and fingerprinting to make sure as we establish orchard blocks that we know this parent that we selected in the field is the one that's being put into this location in the orchard. All of that gets monumented. So there's always a pretty high confidence of, who the mom is. Open pollinated, that pollen comes from everywhere. I think it's been shown that like pollen will fly from Virginia down to middle Georgia. So it's a wide ranging thing. And the advantage here is for MCP, we will go in, we will put bags over the female strobili, and then we will mechanically, physically go in and pollinate those flowers with a known father. So that's going to be pollen that we collected from the orchard. We know who that is. We have a barcode and a tracking system to where when these lots are collected and processed, there's a name and there's an ID that follows that all the way through. So the MCP is essentially just controlling who that pollen parent is, controlling the actual what would be happening in nature, but doing that mechanically.